So our question is determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at the pin A and the reaction on the beam at C. So first we're going to get the angle of this. So to set the angle, the tangent, inverse tangent, 1.5 over 1.5 is equals to 45 degree. So first we're going to get the moment of force, moment A. So FCD sine 45 times 1.5 minus 4K times 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3 meter. So our FCD is 11.31 kilonewton. So our summation of Fx is equals to 0. So our negative AX, because our AX is going to the left, plus 11.31 kN cosine 45 degrees equals to 0. So our answer is AX is equals to negative 8 kN. So we're going to assume the 8 kN going to the left side. So our summation of Fy equals to 0 is AY plus 11.31 times sine 45 degrees minus 4 kN equals to 0. So our AY is equals to negative 4 kN. So we're going to assume the AY going down 4 kN. We assume that because para positive na ito answer. Any question?
So how did you get the 45 degrees?
So guys, natin tayo going to use the inverse tan. Yes, inverse tan times 1.5 over 1.5 is equals to 45 degree.